This week, we're discussing solar power in the home and some of the benefits you may not be aware of. Recently, there's been a lot of growth with adding solar power to homes. Have you considered going solar? Here are some advantages. First, if you're a person who likes to see your bills go down, adding solar panels can drastically decrease your electric bill and potentially eliminate it. When you think about the longevity of solar panels, that could be 25 plus years with lower bills. Another benefit, you're protecting yourself from rising energy costs that you have no control over. Finally, it's good for our environment. Solar is a clean and renewable source of energy, and who doesn't love an environmentally friendly solution?
This segment of Your Place Inside and Out has been sponsored by Kern Power Company, solar specialists in Bakersfield and Kern County. Get started today by calling 661-306-7756. Choose freedom. Choose Kern Power Company.